So puro pala fish pond dito guys. Ayan, ganda. Sarap palipad ng drone dito. Problema lang yung mga yung mga birds. Baka yun yung drone. Kaya hindi pa pala magsa-stop dito. Saan mo talaga kuya? Yan. So tara, try natin na palipad ng drone. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go to different location. Sabi daw ni Erwin, transfer kami sa rice fields naman. So this one, it's all about fish ponds. Right there. In our own dialect, we call this punungan. So we're gonna go there and then we're gonna come back here kasi we're gonna try to shoot the sunset in this area. Okay, let's go. Ang ganda talaga. If I'm driving, I like this scenery right here. Medyo farmy scenery. Kasi nakaka-relaxing yung green. Every time na mag-ride ako at ganito yung mga scenery. And those are sugar canes actually. So you can smell the sugar canes. A little bit sweet in the nose, yung mga grass. So I'm looking forward to where we're going because Erwin said earlier na it's a 4 lanes concrete road surrounded by rice fields or pure greens. So plains, basta mga plains, mga ganyan rice fields, gusto ko yan. So we're gonna go there. Okay, let's go. Ito pala yung place. Shortcut road to ng going north, pero hindi pa daw tapos. Dami pala tumatambay dito. At may mga barbecue pala, kainan. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang. Pero actually maganda yung sunset dito mamaya. Ha? Gani oh. Gani pre. Okay, so papalitan kami ng drone dito para makita. Kasing daming tao, daming nagja-jogging, daming tumatambay. So, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So ayan yung adventure natin for today. As you can see, ang ganda ng sunset dito. At ang ganda magpalipad ng drone. And where I'm at right now is actually an unfinished road. It's a bypass road of Barotac. This road is gonna go to north, where it's, you know, Ahoy, Balasan, what else? Sara, and going to Carles, something like that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our mini adventure for today. Ayan, para kita yung sunset. Make sure that you sub to the channel and then follow my social media accounts. Okay, so dito na lang tayo, and as always I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.